In the soup, understanding idioms in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, those quirky phrases that don't always mean what they say. We're stirring the pot with the phrase, in the soup. If you're ready to find out what it means and how to use it, keep watching. When someone says they're in the soup, they're not talking about their lunch. This phrase means they're in trouble or in a difficult situation. Just like a carrot might find itself submerged in hot water in a soup, the person is metaphorically in hot water themselves. Idioms often have colorful histories, and in the soup is no exception. It's believed to have originated in the 19th century. Back then, finding a fly in your soup was a common metaphor for trouble, and eventually, it became being in the soup when one found themselves in a problematic situation. Using idioms can spice up your language. And here's how you can use in the soup. When I missed my deadline, I knew I was in the soup with my boss. He's been in the soup since he lost his job. Remember, it's all about context. This phrase is informal, so it's best used in casual conversation or writing. English is rich with idioms that express being in trouble. Here are a few. Up a creek without a paddle. Between a rock and a hard place. In hot water. Each has its unique flavor but shares the common theme of difficulty. That's all for today's lesson. We hope you now feel comfortable with the idiom, in the soup, and can use it to enrich your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and to understand the culture behind the language. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't worry about getting in the soup with English. We're here to help you out of it.